How to do the Beach Break Please story trend on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Instagram account, so make sure that you are logged in too. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the page and search for someone that has this trend and that sticker. So you can go to the first option or to my account. If you go to my account, you will find your story trend much more easier because I only have 2 stories added. So search for Ali and John. YTT. Click on this account and then you have to click on story trends here at highlights. Click on that. This is my first story. Then if you go to the next one, you will have the Beach Break Please. So once you are here, you have to click on add yours button, and then you have to add a story for your background, or you can just take a screenshot or a picture or a video, and then you can adjust your sticker and then click send to and then share it to your story. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.